Jesus restored the freedom of mankind during the time of his death on the cross. Hallelujah. Because when God created mankind, he designed us with absolute freedom to choose between the right and the wrong. It's up to you. That's why God put a tree of knowledge of knowing good and evil in the midst of the garden as a symbol of absolute freedom. When God told Adam, you may freely eat of all the fruits of the trees in the garden, except this one right there in the center. If God doesn't want that fruit of the tree to be eaten, why put it there right at the center? Anong gibutang man to dito sa Ginoo? Because that was the expression of telling Adam, I give you the freedom. Amen? Kaon ka? Pwede. Pwede ka mo kaon? Pwede. Pero I wish, Adam, you will not eat. But Adam violated his inner freedom, disobeyed God's command. And because of that, people are under the yoke slavery of the devil. You want to be changed, but you cannot because you are bound by the spirit of darkness. But when Jesus came, he broke the chain of darkness. The moment you believe and confess that Jesus is Lord, the chain of darkness in your life is broken. And therefore today, God give you back your freedom.